Blockchain is a revolutionary technology that underlies cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, offering a decentralized and secure way to record and verify transactions. At its core, a blockchain is a distributed and immutable ledger that consists of a chain of blocks, each containing a list of transactions. What sets it apart is its decentralized nature, as copies of the entire blockchain are stored across a network of computers, eliminating the need for a central authority. Transactions on the blockchain are secured through cryptographic techniques, ensuring transparency and integrity. Once a block is added to the chain, it becomes virtually tamper-proof, enhancing trust in the system. This decentralized and transparent architecture makes blockchain applicable beyond cryptocurrencies, finding utility in various industries such as finance, supply chain, healthcare, and more. The promise of enhanced security, efficiency, and trustworthiness makes blockchain a disruptive force with the potential to reshape how information and value are exchanged in the digital age. The decentralization of blockchain technology introduces a myriad of positive impacts across diverse industries. Firstly, enhanced security emerges as a cornerstone benefit, with decentralized blockchains offering reduced vulnerability to attacks and ensuring the immutability of records. The distribution of data across a network of nodes makes it challenging for malicious actors to compromise the entire system, bolstering security in critical sectors like finance and healthcare. Secondly, increased transparency becomes a hallmark of decentralized systems as open and accessible ledgers foster trust among users. The ability for anyone to verify information recorded on the blockchain, coupled with public verification of transaction histories, proves particularly valuable in sectors such as supply chain management, where stakeholders need a transparent record of product journeys. Furthermore, the decentralization of blockchain technology yields economic advantages by reducing intermediaries and associated costs. Through the elimination of middlemen, blockchain streamlines transactions in finance and real estate, promoting cost efficiency. Smart contracts enabled by decentralization automate processes without the need for costly intermediaries, speeding up various operations. Additionally, the technology's resistance to censorship allows for resilient applications in regions with restrictive governments, empowering individuals through permissionless participation and ownership of personal data. This empowerment extends to financial inclusion, as decentralization provides opportunities for individuals without access to traditional banking services to engage in global economic activities. Overall, the decentralization of blockchain technology not only enhances security and transparency, but also fosters economic efficiency, individual empowerment, and global accessibility. The key impacts of blockchain on the real estate industry are profound. It facilitates the tokenization of real estate assets, breaking down property ownership into digital tokens. This allows for the fractional ownership of high-value properties, making it easier for a larger pool of investors to participate in real estate markets. Tokenization also enhances liquidity by enabling the trading of these tokens on blockchain-based platforms. It streamlines a myriad of real estate operations, from asset management and project financing to property development and construction. The technology brings transparency and efficiency. Smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into the code, automate processes like property transfers and lease agreements, reducing the need for intermediaries and expediting transactions. By eliminating intermediaries like brokers and lawyers, it reduces transaction costs. Additionally, the automation of processes through smart contracts can significantly cut down administrative expenses. This cost reduction benefits both buyers and sellers, making real estate transactions more financially feasible. Its decentralized and tamper-proof ledger enhances transparency in the real estate sector. Property ownership records, transactions, and historical data become easily verifiable and resistant to fraud or manipulation. This increased transparency can foster trust among stakeholders and minimize the risk of disputes. Smart contracts enable faster and more efficient real estate transactions. These contracts automatically execute predefined actions when specific conditions are met, streamlining the entire process from offer acceptance to the transfer of ownership. This speed benefits all parties involved, providing a quicker and more responsive real estate market. Its ability to tokenize real estate assets introduces a new level of accessibility to the market. Investors can buy and trade fractional ownership of high-value properties, enabling a more diverse range of participants to engage in real estate investments. This democratization of access can potentially open up opportunities for smaller investors. It enhances various aspects of leasing and property management. Property searches become more efficient, pre-lease due diligence processes are expedited, and lease agreements can be automated through smart contracts. This not only helps in saving time, but also decreases the chances of errors in documentation. This technology is reshaping the real estate industry by revolutionizing traditional processes, making transactions more efficient, reducing costs, and increasing accessibility and transparency. As the technology continues to mature, its impact on the real estate sector will expand even further. Blockchain has a revolutionary impact on the healthcare industry. It enhances the security and privacy of health data by providing a decentralized and tamper-proof system. Encrypted on a blockchain, patient data remains accessible solely to authorized individuals. This not only protects sensitive information from unauthorized access, but also ensures data integrity and authenticity. The decentralized nature of blockchain reduces the risk of data breaches and enhances trust in health information exchanges. It facilitates secure and efficient data sharing among different healthcare entities. Through a decentralized and interoperable system, patients have greater control over their health data and can grant access to specific parties, ensuring compliance with privacy regulations. This addresses the challenge of fragmented healthcare systems, where patient data is often siloed, allowing for more comprehensive and collaborative care. The use of blockchain in managing electronic medical records improves accuracy and transparency. It prevents the manipulation of patient records and ensures that the data remains consistent across the healthcare network. This is particularly valuable in combating identity versioning and ensuring that healthcare providers have access to the most up-to-date and accurate information when making critical decisions. Blockchain enhances transparency in the healthcare supply chain, especially in tracking prescription drugs and medical goods. By recording each transaction on an immutable ledger, stakeholders can trace the journey of pharmaceuticals from manufacturer to end user. This helps in preventing counterfeit drugs, ensuring the authenticity of products, and maintaining the integrity of the supply chain. The use of smart contracts in healthcare streamlines processes such as insurance claims and supply chain settlements. Smart contracts automatically execute predefined actions when certain conditions are met, reducing the need for intermediaries and minimizing the potential for errors or fraud. This efficiency can lead to quicker settlements, reducing administrative costs and improving overall operational efficiency. It can be utilized for verifying the credentials of medical staff. This ensures that healthcare professionals have the necessary qualifications and meet licensing requirements. By recording and verifying credentials on a blockchain, the process becomes more transparent and trustworthy, helping healthcare institutions ensure the competency and legitimacy of their staff. It holds great promise for transforming the healthcare industry by addressing critical issues related to security, data sharing, electronic medical record management, supply chain transparency, and administrative processes. As the technology continues to evolve, its adoption in healthcare is likely to contribute to better patient outcomes and more efficient healthcare systems. Blockchain's impact on finance is evident in its inherent security features. The distributed and decentralized nature of blockchain ensures that there are no single points of failure. Transactions are securely recorded in an encrypted manner using cryptographic techniques. This not only reduces the risk of fraud, but also enhances the overall security of financial data and transactions. It facilitates faster and more cost-effective payment processes compared to traditional banking systems. The removal of intermediaries and the use of smart contracts can automate and expedite various financial transactions, leading to quicker settlement times and lower transaction costs. It offers several benefits to financial institutions, including the significant reduction of infrastructure costs. This is achieved through the elimination of manual processes, paperwork, and the need for intermediaries, leading to more efficient and cost-effective operations. According to a report by Santander, distributed ledger technology could reduce financial services infrastructure costs by up to $20 billion per annum. The adoption of digital currencies for transactions can further reduce operational expenses. Blockchain technology can also provide faster payments, lower fees, improved security, and enhanced accountability for banks. Additionally, the digitization of financial instruments, such as digital assets and smart contracts, can lead to unprecedented levels of connectivity and programmability between products, services, assets, and holdings, further impacting the finance industry. Its ability to digitize and tokenize financial instruments enhances the efficiency of capital markets. Stocks, bonds, and alternative assets can be represented as digital tokens on public blockchains, streamlining the trading and settlement processes. This, in turn, contributes to improved capital optimization within the financial industry. In trade finance, blockchain can bring about a digital transformation by digitizing and automating the documentation process. Smart contracts on blockchain platforms ensure that transactions are secure, transparent, and protected. This not only reduces the risk of fraud, but also speeds up the entire trade finance process. Its transparent and immutable ledger makes it easier for financial institutions to comply with regulatory requirements. The technology provides a clear and auditable trail of transactions, reducing the likelihood of errors and fraudulent activities. This increased transparency can help institutions build trust with regulators and stakeholders. It has the potential to revolutionize lending by eliminating intermediaries in the loan and credit industry. Smart contracts can automate the lending process, ensuring that terms are automatically executed when conditions are met. This results in a more secure borrowing environment and may lead to lower interest rates for borrowers. Despite these advantages, blockchain in finance faces challenges such as scalability, performance issues, concerns related to the use of cryptocurrencies in criminal activities, the need for standardized protocols, and effective transaction management. However, ongoing developments, collaborations, and technological advancements are expected to address these challenges, making blockchain an integral part of the future of financial services. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, blockchain is a transformative force, which is causing a paradigm shift in the way we perceive and conduct transactions. Despite facing its fair share of challenges, it stands resilient as the way forward, offering a whole lot of benefits that position it as the future of decentralized innovation. While it faces challenges such as scalability, regulatory uncertainties, and energy consumption concerns, its inherent benefits and continuous development efforts position it as the technology of the future. The ongoing innovation in blockchain solutions, coupled with increasing adoption across diverse industries, signifies its potential to reshape the way we interact, transact, and trust in the digital age. Embracing the possibilities offered by blockchain is not just a technological evolution, but a step towards a more transparent, secure, and decentralized future. Comment down below on what you think and leave a like if you find value in the content we do on this channel. Hit the subscribe button for all the latest updates, and we'll see you in the next video.